Today we're looking at a certified 2016 Honda Pilot Elite. All right, it's got 23,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, just one owner. Crystal black pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your running boards down here. Lock unlock button here on the chrome door handles. All right, driver's side of the vehicle is in great shape. Does have the rear park assist, rear backup camera. All right, and it is an Elite here with your all-wheel drive. All right, it's got your backup or rear park assist right there. Make our way down the passenger side. It also has a lock unlock button here on the door handle as well. Turn signals in the side mirrors. The exterior of this Pilot's in fantastic shape. All right, certified 2016, 23,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got your gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it's got your memory seats here, power liftgate button there. Gonna have your rear park assist here, lane departure warning here. All right, collision alert. All right, it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats, gray leather, power driver seat. Okay, it's got the perforated inserts. Does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. All right, and then it has a center storage area here. Got a couple sets of headphones in there, power outlet and auxiliary port. All right, passenger seat's also in really good shape. All right, it's got the perforated inserts as well. And you got the push button transmission. Heated and air conditioned front seats. Got your CD player there, push button start, dual climate controls. All right, you're gonna have the rear backup camera right here and the radio display, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your heated steering wheel button right here. Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Also is equipped with the sunroof as well. Then you got your DVD player back here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 23,713 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your display screen here. All right, it's going to have all your apps on here. Got navigation. That's about all the apps it's got. Let's see. And you can put more on there if you like. It's got the Honda link, rear audio. Let's go ahead and hit navigation. View map. All right. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right. And we'll get you back to your home screen. All right. Air conditioner's blowing cold, no issues there. All right, got the dual climate controls. You got your heated and air conditioned seats here. AC's blowing nice and cold. All right, let's go ahead and step out and take a look in the back seat. Does have the shade that pulls up here on the second row seats. Gray leather, got the center perforated inserts. All right, instead of the bench seats back here, it's got the console that separates the two. All right, second row leather's in really good shape. All right, and it does have the sunroof, large sunroof for the second and third row. Okay, got your rear audio back here with the heated heat and air. Got your heated seats as well. Okay, go ahead and give you a look of the driver's eye view here of the dash and the layout. And then I'll pan back a little bit and give you a shot of the DVD player here. All right, it is the third row Pilot. Okay, you got your third row up under this protector mat here, and I'll show you that in just a second. Let me go ahead and walk around here and we'll pull that mat out. It does have the foldable mat here, protector mat. We'll just fold this right up. Pull this out. First thing we see right here, we got a little bit of storage. Okay, and it's really easy to pull these seats up. Just simply grab this, pull it right up. Same thing on this side. All right. Let me walk around here. And one really cool thing about these Pilots, you got your button here. You got your button here. You simply press that button, the seat will jump forward for you automatically. All right, gives you quick access to the third row back here. And as you can see, your third row is in fantastic shape. All right, you just simply push the seat back into place, push that button, boom. All right. Now, to get the third row seats back down, so we pull this, then they just fall right back down, and you can see how much it opens it up as far as your space in the rear here. And put the mat back in here. Got the power lift gate, nice and smooth coming down. All right, let's check out the wheels and tires. It's got the sweet black 20-inch alloys on here. All right, tires are in great shape, brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a certified 2016 Honda Pilot Elite, 23,000 miles. Thing's in phenomenal shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. Remember, clean Carfax, just one owner. All right, come on down, check it out, and thank you for watching the video.